Hey guys, it's Nicole. It's actually so weird. I'm talking to you in English. Honestly, if you don't like my accent, just leave the video. If you do, then I like you too. Anyway, so I decided to make my first video in English, and it's kind of weird, but like I was like, I need to do a morning routine because I just need to, you know. Yeah, why not? But yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel, which is almost like every single thing is in Russian, but still welcome. And feel free to... No, that will sound so cringe. Anyway, please continue watching my video. It's gonna be good, I promise you. It's 8:45. Like, what the hell? I actually woke up half an hour ago because I just couldn't sleep. So the first thing I do is check my social media because I'm so popular. Like, right now I checked everything before. Let's have a look. Come on. Oh, wow. So, actually, I'm not going to show you. Oh, hello, what is that? I'm not going to show you my Snapchats because it's like, you know, confidential. So, no. Top secret. And the first thing I'm probably gonna do now is wash my hair. And because you can like literally fry some chips on my greasy hair, yeah, I'm just gonna go wash it. Do you want to join me? Probably not. It's kind of weird, but like my shower has a mirror. Wait, where is it? There. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but I think you should know. I'm so weird. Oh my god, look what I just found. What's going on with the windows? Do you actually know that the windows can go like that in the car because you're drunk? Right, I know you will love me. I mean, you will love to see. I know you love me. I know you will love seeing me putting my contacts in, so I just choose a good angle. Okay, one in. Now I can see at least my face on the camera. Ow, this actually hurt. Oh, I'm just gonna cry now. I actually look so bad. Oh my god. I don't care.
Man don't care about all that. It's rotting out. Man don't care about all that.
Okay, so for breakfast, I'm gonna have, guess what? Toast? No, guys. Muesli. I haven't eaten proper like piece of bread in probably 2.5 years, so I'll go for muesli. And then I'll have, everyone's like, yeah, you like almond milk. I hate almond milk. I love hazelnut milk because like it actually tastes like chocolate, and you know, like I'm allergic to chocolate, so it's just so great. Shall I just finish it? Nah. Just leave for my dad to see that. Ew, gross, right? Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Honestly, I want to eat something else. I'm just not full. And I know I don't want to be full. I just want to eat something. Oh, God. Okay, I decided I want some berries, some apples, and some crazily good nuts. Oh, yes. I'm not just weird, I just can't bite right now. crazily good. I just need to do adverts, I know that. That'll be my future job. Oh no! I lost my phone! Ah. Right, so update number 28. I'm not full at all, but I was thinking, what can I do to entertain you guys? And I was like, shall I do a yoga challenge again? Which got me like, right now it's like 9,400 views, so let's see, yeah. I've got some popularity somewhere. And yeah, I'm gonna do some yoga. Oh my god. It's actually killing me. It's so bad. Like, it's so bad. Oh. Right, so let's get started. I got some like Zen music in the background. And let's do some pretty weird poses. Is it like that? Oh my god, it hurts. It actually hurts. Oh, this is so painful. No, oh my god. It's so painful on my knees. Oh my god. This made my actual day. Look, I got a parcel from this when I went to the cross store. She was like one of my like hosts. So cute. Oh my god. I love her so much. Okay, let's continue because I know you're enjoying it. Oh my god, it's so painful. It's so painful. Oh, I love that flexible now. Oh my god, I actually need to do some stretches. Oh. I'm actually so dead. It's like, it's actually so intense for me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed something. I know it wasn't that exciting, but still, like, I actually really appreciate if you watch my videos and actually like comment and just watch my videos. I love it because it actually means so much to me. I'm actually out of breath. And please subscribe and just, I love you. Love you all, everyone, everything. Yeah. Mwah. Bye.